Hello mga ka-explorer, this is your ultimate Ella girl, Ella the Explorer. So for today's video guys, this is all about Krishna Mahusay. So yeah, we would like to congratulate her. Congratulations Krishna sa pagiging number 1 pa din as of mid of March to April 16. So, mid of March to mid of April 16. So, yay! We're still on number 1, which is really, really good kasi nakikita ng mga tao and still supporting pa rin yung mga tao kay Krishna Mahusay, which is napakasaya ng puso ko na yun pa rin nangyayari. Of course, we still support Sir Paul. I do really support him. And then, I also support din naman si Krista. Just like what I said, I will support both of them regardless of what happened. So, ayun na nga. So, we still congratulate her. She is a number 1 as of now. PB Team Top 10 ranking mid of April. As of April 16. So, she's still number 1 as 16 posts. Number of upload is 18. And then she had a 2,393,182 views in 30 days. So, congratulations, Krishna Mahusay. We are really, really, really proud of you, my Peking Koreana. We're so proud and we're glad talaga. Ako personally, sobrang saya ko na nakikita ko nag-strive ka, pinapakita mo talaga na you are able to do pa din yung mga, yung pag-vlog kahit na wala ka na ngayon wala ka pansamantala sa PB Team. Regardless of what will happen, we're out of it. We will not do anything about that. That is your issue with the other one. That is private for you both. So, wala na tayo doon. But we still support you. And of course, support pa rin sa yun yung humubog sa'yo. Paano ka nagkaroon ng channel and everything. So, we are supporting each team. Of course, the second of the PB Team is PB Onjay with 36 posts as of March 17 to April 16. And he has a 2,380,050 views. So, ayun, congratulations to PB Onjay, of course. And then, the third one is si Ralph Abrado Vlog with 32 posts and 1,953,101 views. So, ayun, that is our top 3 for now. So, talagang hindi na si Krista sa posting. Kung titignan natin yung mga views na lang at saka sa mga posts ng PB Team, taas talaga si Krishna kasi nga Krishna is only have 18 uploads as of mid of March to April 16. So mid of March, I think nasa Mindoro sila niyan. Yan yung mga panahon naman nangyayaring hindi dapat nangyari. Na sinakyan din ng mga basher na walang alam. Ganon. And then, here, the number 4 is Madam Yula with 1 million. Oh no, should be. Oh yeah, kasi 17 posts lang siya. And then, she had a 1,584,000 with 406 views. So, yun parehas tayo. Ako na nawindang ako dito sa bakit kasi nga pala 17 posts lang siya, but she Madam Yula still gather a 1.5 million views. Kaya siya napunta sa rank number 4. And then our rank number 5 is PB Peter Paul with 39 posts. Ang laki nito. 1,816,060 views for 30 days. So, ayun. PB Peter Paul is really like quite, alam mo yung parang hindi naman natin sabi na love, pero siya lang talaga yung hindi nasali sa, alam mo yun? Wala siyang issue about sa mga, alam mo, hindi siya na-link to everyone. So, oh yeah, ganon. So, yun na nga yung ating top 5 nga si Peter Paul. Yun talaga yung sa lahat ng PBT wala siyang issue and all and everything. Talagang, he's a good man. Hindi naman natin sinasabi na, na kapag hindi ka na-link, you're not a good man. So, but, ito lang talaga yung parang behave siya ba? Yung talagang, hindi din siya yung, as in, simula nang dumating si Chris na wala talagang may na-link sa kanya. Kaya, support ko din tong channel niya na ito. Well, I support everyone naman. Lahat talaga na-support ko since then until now. Kahit na wala na yung love story, wala na rin yung ating love team and everything. I still support them. Hands up with them. And then our number 6 is Master Ring. Talagang he's kinda clown. So si Master Ring has a 42 post as the mid of March and April. So March 17 to April 16 meron siya 42 posts and then 1,607,123 views as of 30 days. So ayun yung ating top 6. So let's continue to support them, guys. Even na nangyari, we still support them, okay? And then number 7 is si Kuya Mang Eli. Yay! Yung post naman ni Kuya Mang Eli is 33 posts with 1,442,487 views. So maybe you were gonna ask like, oh, bakit siya naging rank 7? 1.4 lang naman yung post niya, yung views niya, ganon. And then kasi yung post niya is only 33 lang yung post niya, and you are gonna see it there naman eh. And, kasi ilalagay ko din dito sa sa screen. So you are gonna see paano siya nagiging top 8. Rank 7, I mean. And then our rank 8 is si Red Vlog, yung talagang macho gapito ng PBT. Meron siyang 27 posts. And then meron siyang 1,166,041 views for 30 days. As of 30 days yun. And then meron siyang post na 27. And then our number 9 is si Toots TVPH. Si Sir Toots. And then meron siyang 18 posts as of March 17 to April 16. Hindi talaga kasi masyado nagpo-post to si Sir Toots eh. Busy. Siyempre, hindi siya full-time sa pagiging vlogger. Meron kasi siyang ibang trabaho. So, ayun. And I really admire him kasi he's very neutral. Hindi talaga siya yung lumabas talaga yung issue. He'd never say anything bad or he didn't do like a bad intention about sa kanyang vlog. Which is, he's in neutral. He's a good friend. I must say, kasi hindi siya yung tipo na, kasi ganito, kasi ganyan, gano'n. So, we really admire him. Me personally, I don't know, I'll just say we because maybe you like also or admire him. But yeah, for me, I do really admire him. Like, like, ang puso niya talagang busilak. Alam mo yun, yung wide open yung pagtanggap niya ng BBT sa bahay nila doon sa kanyang farmhouse. So, yeah. Siya yung ating top 9. And the top 10 is si Tito Hearns TV, yung husband ni Nanay Nida. So, si Tito Hearns meron siyang 13 posts as of March 17 to April 16, which is understandable na magiging, siya, kasi meron na siyang 13 posts. And then, this is not bad. Meron siyang 926,023 views. So, yun yung atin na top 10 sa PB Team ranking for mid-April or let's say as of April 16, 2026. So ayun no, we would like to congratulate to Krishna Mahusay. We are really really rooting on you, Krishna. As like we never, we don't care what people say to you or kung ano man yung sinasabi ng tao, na ganun. We are really proud of you. It's na maganda, it's nice to see na you are really striving. Alam mo yun, yung tila na ito ako, kaya ko siya, ganun. Kasi more on talaga sa mga basher, talaga lang ito talaga, i-adjust natin sa basher na to. Kasi more on kasi sa mga basher lagi sinasabi na si Chris na walang si Chris na ganun. So now basher, dito pa lang makikita natin na okay, let's say because have the March. Pero ang lang dito is, alam mo yun yung tipo na she is trying ba na i-strive pa yung sarili niya, ipakita niyo kung anong kaya niyang gawin, ganun. Kaya, ayun, marami kasi nagsasabi na kahit na hindi, dahil wala na siya, baka maglaos na si Chris na, hindi kaya gawin ni Chris na yung mga ginagawa ni Sir Paul. Of course, lahat naman tayo nag-start sa mababa, ganun. So, helping people, hindi na kailangan i-post. Especially, kung meron man siya, is a charity vlogger, ganun. We really admire, I do really add charity viewers to Sir Paul. And, I really admire how strong he is, si Sir Paul, no? And then, he's a good leader. Kahit naman, ito nga, isali na lang natin yung nangyari kay Nita, diba? He's still supporting about it. Alam mo yun, yung sinabi niya nga, magtatampo siya, ganito, ganyan. But after all, magiging okay din siya. And he will not, yung hindi siya talaga, ganon. Yung hindi talaga siya ng grudge sa tao, which is really good. As a leader, I really admire him. And then, with Krishna Mahusay, I love you, Krishna. I love you, Peking Koreana. We're really proud of you. Ipatuloy mo lang yung mga ginagawa mo. Ipakita mo kung ano ka. Ipakita mo yung totoong Krishna Mahusay. Ipakita mo you're really not only looking for the, alam mo yun, yung kung ano meron yung tao. Kasi ngayon, sila sabi na, kasi ganito, si Sir Paul, kaya sinagot ganon. Show them that they are wrong, na kaya mo rin makipagsabayan. Kahit na, okay, let's say, na you don't need talaga makipagsabayan sa kanila. But we saw na you are really good. In a bit, I'm just doing my video, okay? A little bit. Yeah, you can, after lunch, please. So, ayan. May kasama ako sa bahay. Later, okay? So, ayun, doon. So, we're really proud of you. Congratulations to all PB team who's in rank 10. So, we will post it maybe after again next month. Let's see how it goes next month. What will be like, yung mga pagbabago, ganon. So, yun. So, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe po ng ating video. And please support Krishna Mahusay as Speaking Koreana. Let's raise the subscriber to 100,000 para meron na siyang silver play button na galing kay YouTube. So, let's support Krishna. I think, na lang siya konti na lang talaga yung, konti na lang, makukuha yan na yung silver play button. Let's gonna see how long. Kung ano pa. Right now, she is in 72.4 thousand subscribers. So, malapit na lang to. Konting-konti na lang. Meron na lang siyang 28 or let's say 27,600 subscriber na kukunin. So, let's support her. Maybe makukuha natin to ng for 2 months. So, let's, lahat ng mga, mga, naniniwala at nagmamahal kay Krishna, let's subscribe her channel, guys. Speaking Koreana. Ito yun. Let's subscribe her, guys. Here. Let's subscribe Speaking Koreana, please. Let's subscribe her. Ayun. Sana po patuloy natin siyang i-support kasi we really saw how she strive. and for her pangarap, for her dream. So, ayun. We love you, Krishna. We support you. We love BBT. We love you, Sir Po. We support you as well. So, ayun naman po sa video na ito. Sana po inyo nagustuhan ang ating top 10 na rank sa BB team. So, ayun. Bye everyone. God bless.